हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about most important concept of business economics and managerial economics or economics for managers. Today topic is elasticity of demands. Law of demand states that inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, but law of demand does not explain what percentage change in quantity demanded with a small change in price of the commodity. But elasticity of demand gives the proper solution of this type of problem. In economics, elasticity of demand is the measure how an economic variable responds to the change in another. It is give the answer to the question such as if if lower the price of a product, how much will we sell? If I raise the price of one goods, how will that affect the sale of the other goods? If the market price of a product goes down, how much will affect the amount that firm will willing to supply to the market? In other words, elasticity of demand states that responsiveness of demand with respect to price of the commodity, income of the income of the consumer, and price of related goods. In other words, elasticity of demand states that change in demand of the commodity with respect to price of the commodity, price of related commodity, and income of the consumers. Change in quantity demanded with respect to price of the commodity are called price elasticity of demand. Change in demand of the commodity with respect to income of the consumer are called income elasticity of demand. Change in demand of the commodity with respect to price of related goods, that is income cross elasticity of demand. However, elasticity means sensitiveness or responsiveness of demand to the change in price. This change, sensitiveness or responsiveness may be small or great. Take the case of salt, even a big fall in its price may not induce an appreciable and appreciable extension in its demand. On the other hand, a slight fall in the price of orange may cause considerable extension in their demand. That is why we say that the demand in the former case is inelastic and in the latter case it is elastic. The demand is elastic when when with a small change in price there is great change in demand. It is inelastic or less elastic when even a big change in price includes only a state change in demands. In the words of Marshall, the elasticity or responsiveness of demand in the market is great or small according as the amount of demanded increase much or little for a given fall in price and diminishes much or little for a given rise in price. But the demand cannot be perfectly elastic or inelastic. Completely elastic demand will means that the slight fall or rise in the price of the commodity con- induce an infinite extension or construction in demands. Complete inelastic demand will means that any amount fall or rise in the price of the commodity would not be induce any extension in its demand. Both these conditions are unrealistic. That that is why we say that elastic demand may be more or less, but it is seldom perfectly elastic or absolutely elastic. Type of elastic demands. This distinction may be made between price elasticity, income elasticity, cross elasticity. Price elasticity is responsiveness of demand to change in price. Income elasticity means change in demand in response to change in consumer income. And cross elasticity means a change in demand for a commodity owing to change in the price of other commodity. Degree of elasticity of demand. We have we have seen above the some commodity have very elastic while other have less elastic. Let us now try to understand the different degree of elasticity of demand in infinite or perfect elasticity of demand. Let us first take on extreme case of elasticity of demand when it is infinite or perfect. Elasticity of demand is infinity when even a negligible fall in the price of the commodity leads to an infinite extension in the demand for it. Even when the price remains the same, the demand goes on changing perfectly inelastic demand to another extreme limit is when demand is perfectly inelastic. It means that however great rise or fall in the price of the commodity, its demand remains absolutely unchanged. In the other words, in this case, elasticity of demand is zero. No amount of change in price induces a change in demand. In the real world, there is no commodity the demand for which may absolutely inelastic. For example, changes in its price will fall to bring about any change at all in the demand for it. Elastic demand. Elastic demand is said to be very elastic when even a small change in price of a commodity lead to a considerable extension or construction of a amount of demanded less elastic demand when even substantial change in price bring only a small extension of construction in demand, it is said to be less elastic demand. Unitary elastic demand. The demand is said to be unitary elastic when a given proportion change in price of price level bring about an equal proportionate change in quantity demanded. The numerical value of unitary elastic demand is exactly 1. Marshall called it unit elastic demand. Thank you.